Sometimes you have a bad quadcopter with the gimbal. Without a perfect move, the movements are over and any of the motors is damaged. Listen and look all the time that you turn on your quadcopter for see if have anything bad. Look, it has a good calibration, but look now. You change for a side, for other side, and you turn your quadcopter, and then there's no calibration. If you are flying, you have some problems because all the images you are generating will be so bad. And now we repair because we have three motors that make the stabilization for the gimbal. And if any of these motors is damaged or there's no good function, or if the flat cable is too bad, too hot, and any connection are bad, you can't fly with perfect generation of images. The images generation is too bad. Well, let's go and I will repair this quadcopter and in a few moments will be perfect. Let's go. Here, I need to change the third motor because really is damaged. I will change and then I will see if it's good for fly again. Let's go. Well, look what happens when I change this motor was damaged. Look. Oh, a minute, I will left here a thing to do perfect for you see the situation. Look now. Close to you. It's bad. But now, this quadcopter is wonderful. Look, the time. When I turn on the gimbal start the calibration, this is very important in the process. Look. And now, I turn the quadcopter. Now it's perfect. Well, when you have a situation in one of the three motors of your quadcopter, you are not safe. The quadcopter, there's no function perfecting the gimbal. Look, now this quadcopter is wonderful. I will make in a few moments. I will left more secure, more, more safe, and more perfect. I need to turn stronger and things in this quadcopter, and then a good wash here, and then I will test over the sky out of my house. And when you have one of the three motors damaged, the other two won't work with perfect. Is this. Now the quadcopter is perfect. I will end this job in a few moments. And my counsel is this. When you shake the motors with your hands of the gimbal, if anyone is too difficult to make the movements, it seems that you need to watch, you need to leave clean, or is damaged in the flat cable connection, or the motor is damaged. Is this? Well, guys, a hug.